In this video, we will talk about how to uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store Windows 11. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Terminal as admin. Click on Yes. Copy-paste the following command I have mentioned in the description and press Enter. Now, if I search for Microsoft Store, here you can see it's uninstalled from my PC. Now, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Once it restarts, do the same and open Terminal as admin. Now copy-paste the following command to install Microsoft Store and press Enter. Let's search for the store. Here you can see it's installed. So that's how you can uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Store Windows 11. See you in the next video.